You probably already seen some annoying features of GameBird, added from Game Turbo that not many wanted. Here's a guide I found from the Reddit by someone shares it. Credit to this guy Shard Tips by Hans Ignacio. It worked when I tried it. I tried to search YouTube for any guide. I didn't find anything, only from Reddit. So let's start following his guide. This will work for Xiaomi and Poco brands. First go to Settings your phone. Go to Password and Security. Now go to Authorization and Revocation. Find the security app and turn it off. That's all a simple step. Your GameBird is gone from Game Turbo. You can check any of your game in Game Turbo that appeared GameBird before you turn it off from Authorization on Revocation. I hope this helps you with this guide. Thank you for watching.